Today we are at HSR Layout 17 Cross 4th Sector. I have heard a lot about this Andhra style restaurant known as Michi Maharaj, especially the unlimited non-veg combo that is being served for only rupees 299. I was shocked when I heard that for only rupees 299 they are giving 3 different starters and 2 types of biryanis, all chicken. So I came here to try out this amazing offer. Do continue to watch my video for more details. If you like the video, do share it so that others also would enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed for my channel. We have now entered into the restaurant and I'm going to order the combo special, which is rupees 299. If you are a vegetarian or you want to order anything other than the combo, then there is a menu which you can order out of. Looks really delicious. Looks really crispy and juicy. The second starter that was served is guntur chicken. Let's taste this. Lovely, it's just juicy. The aroma is amazing. The masala is just mixed with the chicken, giving you a beautiful flavor. The third starter that they have served us is lemon chicken, which is fiery hot. I'm not able to hold it because it's just come out from the oven. Looks very delicious and tasty. Amazing. It gives you the tangy taste of the lemon just mixed into the masala. There are the 3 types of side dishes that they serve. The first is the chicken kebab, which is very lemony, crispy, just breaks, very tasty. The second is the guntur chicken. The spices are well mixed with the chicken, and when you put it in your mouth, the taste is just awesome. The third is the lemon chicken. It gives you a nice tangy taste of the lemon. Just amazing experience eating these 3 different types of chicken. Awesome. The main course of the combo, chicken biryani, they serve here a part of the combo. I'm going to put the first Oh, that's yummy. Very tasty. So you're going to love it with the combo. This is the second type of biryani that they serve in the combo, which is the Andhra style biryani. Let's taste this as well. Oh, it's just delicious, and I'm sure all you lovers of non-veg, this is the place you should be. You should be here trying this food. It's amazing. Staff of Michi Maharaj This is a sure place you must visit for the delicious food and the lovely service given by these beautiful people.